In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a digital marketing agency website using WordPress and Elementor, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is perfect if you're starting your own agency, building a site for a client, or just learning how to create professional websites with WordPress. We'll be using starter templates and Elementor, so you don't need to design everything from scratch. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and web design tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin area. From your browser, go to your website URL and add /wp-admin at the end, then log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the WordPress Dashboard. This is the main control center where you manage your entire website, including pages, themes, plugins, and settings. Next, from the left-hand menu, go to Appearance and then click on Starter Templates. This option is usually available if you're using a theme like Astra and have the Starter Templates plugin installed. Starter Templates allow you to import ready-made website designs that you can fully customize using Elementor. This saves you hours of work and gives you a professional layout right away. Once the Starter Templates page loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. In that search bar, type in Digital Marketing Agency. This will filter the templates and show you designs specifically made for marketing agencies. Take your time here and browse through the available options. Look at the layout, colors, and structure, and choose the website template that best fits your brand or your client's needs. After selecting your preferred digital marketing agency template, click on it and start the setup process. You'll be guided through a few setup steps, such as confirming your page builder, which should be Elementor, and choosing whether you want to import all demo content. Go ahead and complete the setup by following the on-screen instructions. WordPress will now automatically import the pages, images, and basic structure of the website for you. Once the import is complete, your digital marketing agency website is ready, but this is where the real customization begins. Visit the front end of your website and click on any page you want to edit, then choose Edit with Elementor. Inside Elementor, you can click on any section, text, or image and start customizing it. You can move content around, change headings, update images, and replace the demo text with your own services, descriptions, and contact details. Make sure you update important sections like the homepage headline, services section, about section, and contact information. Add your email address, phone number, and business location so visitors can easily reach you. You can also adjust colors and fonts to match your brand identity. Elementor makes all of this simple with drag and drop controls, so you don't need to write any code. Once you're happy with the changes, click Update to save your work. Go through each page one by one and repeat the process until your entire site reflects your digital marketing agency. And just like that, you've learned how to make a digital marketing agency website using WordPress and Elementor. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress, Elementor, and website building tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.